Alright, I found a real easy way to eat crawdads. What you do, take your little fella, straighten out his tail, give it a twist, just push it in and pull it out. And you can suck the head. What I do is I like to open him up a little bit. Delicious. The juices are amazing with the water seasoned like that. And what I do, give him a little squeeze. Took his tail off. Take off one of the little ribs. And hopefully it'll come right off. And what I like to do is take out the little vein. Maybe I didn't purge them long enough. I'll do one more. You straighten them out there. Give them a little twist. Let's try this. Squeeze his little body. Open up one of the ribs. They're a little bit of work, but let me tell you, sweet like sugar. I like to take out the vein. Get a little butter, dip it. A little bit of lemon. Lovely. You have yourself a Louisiana day. Bye-bye.